Hello world, look at this Lamborghini 5-pack, so exciting. Pretty neat packaging. This came today. Let's see what's inside. Can't do it with one hand. Boom, shakalaka. And I got another one. Big shout out to Lance, if he's watching. Once again, sorry I didn't see your update video. I have since put your channel on notification so I would get bells, I guess. But yeah, congratulations on your new Lamborghini lounge. Yeah, hold on, I'll open one up. Pretty cool packaging. Gold Veneno. Blue Huracan Super Trofeo. Of course, the long-awaited. Never thought they'd make another one. Mercy SV. Aventador J. And this is the second gen Gallardo Superleggera. I like the colors on this one. This is a matte white paint job. This, I could be wrong, is just a duplicate of something other. I haven't seen it next to my other variations, so hopefully I'm wrong, but it looks basic as basic. And of course this is it looks to me with the stripe like it's the Asian market special release for the SV. That'd be cool if it is, but regardless, it's a new model. Same casting, it looks like. Some imperfections in the Zamac, but that's to be expected. Still very cool. Go nice with my other two. And I hope Hot Wheels continues to make more. It'd be nice to see another Countach. I heard rumors of a possible Espada. A vintage line would be sweet. Either in basic or premium. If you know me, I just collect basically Lamborghini. And I love how Hot Wheels is continuing to make more. And the two Countaches that they did for the Red Line Club, which I do not belong to, but I did pay a premium for those two models. I'm very pleased with. Once again, Lance, if you're watching, thanks for thinking of me. I don't have too many subscribers that comment, but I want to say There's Anthony and Anthony M, I believe, and Mad Productions. Shout out to them. Sorry if I'm getting them wrong. I haven't watched their videos in a while. But they have very nice Lamborghini collections as well. Alright, Hot Wheels 5-pack, Lamborghini. Very cool. I have most, if not all, the other 5-pack variation exclusive Lamborghinis. And yeah, more to come. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Stay safe with COVID. And yeah, if you feel fine, just remember, protect yourself, because in doing so, you protect others. Peace.